What is going on? We are doing another review today of my buddy's GTI. It's a 2021. He just lowered it. I think he's got an intake on it and like some other stuff. It looks really freaking cool. Let's get into it, baby! All right, we're pulling up to Justin's right now. Let's give him a nice warm welcome. What do you say? I didn't know he was gonna get here after me. I was gonna do a super weird little hello for him, but I guess not. Let's go say hi to this kid. Damn, mommy, look at you, all fancy. Dude, the interior of this thing looks so clean.
I know.
Holy crap.
I put on
Oh, you mean the spacers?
Yeah, the 15 and the 20. Yeah, no, it's dope. I got them from this guy off of like what was it? Off of the Facebook Marketplace.
I got them used?
Yeah, oh yeah, baby.
Used spacers, always sketchy, nice.
So that's
how do you slide it back?
It's there's a lever. There's a lever like. Oh, just kidding, it's right there.
Oh, I was like, what am I looking for?
Yeah.
Okay, boys, this is Hot Boy Justin.
Hello.
He just got a 2021 GTI. The most sexy looking one that I think you could probably get, to be honest. Like, you can probably see from all the clips.
Very lucky.
Oh, you can definitely hear
oh yeah, you can hear the whooshy sounds, dude.
And your clutch is like, the grabbing point is so low.
It's very low.
It feels cool though.
It's not bad. I like it.
This also feels like a short throw shifter already.
Oh yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, it is a short throw shifter.
It's a Diesel Geek short throw shifter. Yeah.
Oh wow, it's like extremely whooshy.
Yeah, dude.
That's so
all the whooshes. All the whooshes. I put the little like new speed the power module. It's basically a piggyback, but it's like it's nothing like, I mean, you could put a JB4 on it and actually like get some decent power.
Oh, so you have a little tune on it?
Yeah, I have like a little minor piggyback.
I didn't even know you keep doing that stuff.
So that was actually the first thing I did. It makes maybe 15
more horsepower.
Yeah, maybe 15, maybe 20.
You probably got more torque from it than anything.
I definitely noticed that it picks up a little bit earlier. But dude, yeah,
so
I know
smooth.
It's all the whooshes. Yeah.
Does it pull up top like
so
or does it die off like my car kind of?
It will pull, but I mean once you're in like third and fourth, you kind of feel a little bit of power drop off at like 55.
Okay, so kind of same as my car. All right. Second gear pull, 2.5. Let's just see how it goes. Dude, okay, no, what do you mean it falls off at the top?
I mean, maybe.
What are you talking about?
Maybe I'm tripping.
You're tripping, dude. Oh, it's so smooth, dude.
Very smooth power band. There's no rear sway bars. There's no.
Your mid-range is so strong.
Very.
Yeah, dude. That's always the strong part. Like on all these little hot hatches, is that mid-range.
It's it's like the most fun part of the power band.
Oh, dude, it's so yeah. Okay, so it feels like it's gonna like. I'm not gonna say it feels like it's gonna lose traction, but like it feels like it doesn't have any more to go, and then you turn the wheel harder, and it keeps going.
Grips. Yeah, it keeps going.
Gripping. Yeah, dude. It'll rip and grip, brother.
She rips and grips.
It's very like, it's really confidence inspiring. Like
it is. Like it makes you want to like, I don't know, it makes you want to go faster.
Yeah, it does.
It does. But
like, you don't feel like you're about to be like, I don't know what's gonna happen around this turn. You're like,
yeah. It's like, all right, I'm just gonna send it. But I mean, you really feel like you're in control, especially when going around corners.
Yeah, I'm still surprised by the power of it, even though you have like a piggyback on it.
Yeah.
Like all you have is an intake, really. I mean, that's it.
Yeah.
Are you gonna put an exhaust on scene?
Oh yeah.
That's gonna make it sound so good, dude.
I like to drive with music, and when I'm playing the music, you can't really hear the exhaust that great. Oh yeah.
That's you that? Yeah. Oh, I thought this game was gonna start rubbing. Yeah, dude, this thing will pick up like no other. I've been driving my car, which is pretty quick. Yeah. And I was like, maybe this will feel slow. It does not feel slow at all. Like this is probably.
I'm glad.
My car on stage 3 is still slow. This car is,
I wouldn't say it's not slow. It's your car's quick.
I think this car is almost as fast.
I'd love to do a pull.
We could do it. We should do a little drag race.
Yeah, that would be fun.
Or like not a drag race. We'll just spin, but like a 40 roll or something like that. Yeah, that'd be sick. I think
to 60 because we don't speed.
That's correct, Justin. We don't speed. Oh yes, first we'll spin.
Yeah, first will spin real nice.
God, dude, it's just being in like a new car like this that can handle is like so entertaining. It's so entertaining. It's so smooth, but like just because it's smooth, it still feels really raw. Like it doesn't feel like you're numb at all.
It's got that like the rawness, but it's still, I don't know, has an analog feel to it as well.
Oh yeah, I mean it's definitely electric steering.
Oh yeah, you can feel that.
They've like, I feel like almost all car manufacturers have like gotten down electric steering. Like it feels good now. It's not
when it first came out, it was very robotic. It was all it felt like it was attached to a computer and the computer was just turning the wheels. This is the first manual car I had ever owned.
Oh yeah, that's true. I forgot to mention that.
Yeah.
This car's a manual, in case you haven't noticed that. It's not the DSG.
Nope.
And I'm liking that.
Yeah, dude.
I'm enjoying that.
Mark 6 was a DSG and loved it, but this car is it's so much more engaging. It's so much fun.
It's super engaging, and it's cool because like DSG is such a good transmission that like if they're gonna make a manual, they have to make it really good, and they did.
They did.
Like it is really good. We're gonna do a 40 roll. There's a Tesla in front of us. It's probably gonna murk us anyways. So.
Whoop-a! Whoop! That whoosh.
I know, that's a bridge. Damn. Oh, UPS guy. FedEx. Sorry, buddy.
Hello, FedEx.
I think that little thing does do something at the bottom. Yeah, dude, it does.
It might be what calculates wide open.
Dude, maybe, because it boosts hard.
Yeah.
Do you know what PSI you have stock from this turbo?
I think it might be close to 25. I could be 100% wrong. I could be 1000% wrong. Between this and the Golf R, the MQB platform is really smooth driving car, and it produces power, especially with the Mark 7s and stuff.
Yeah,
it produces power in a way where it's not really going to spin, especially throughout corners.
So Ford has something called torque vectoring, which is like their version of an LSD, because I have an open diff, but it brakes the front wheel. Like it literally like applies brake to it if it's going to lose traction, and that's like its version of an LSD. Do you know if GTI has anything like that, or is this already an LSD?
I think it already has an LSD in the front. I'm pretty sure.
I think it does too. It's so nice.
Very.
And also what's really cool, like transferring through corners, like weight transfer, it does not like slip up.
The body roll it's so
it's so minimal. Like there's not much there, and it doesn't like get thrown off balance when you're going through like this, like S's. It feels like it's just ready to dart.
Yep.
Like it feels, dude. This is so sick.
Planted, man.
It feels so planted. It's so
glad you like it.
All right, boys. That's the end of the review. Big shout out to Justin here with the sexy GTI. We appreciate it.
Of course,
give him some
man.
love in the comments. Say hello. Say what's up. Tell him you love the
roast
GTI.
me for the boost.
Roast him for the boost. Roast him for whatever you want. But we're gonna go shoot this car so you can see all the shots that you just saw in the beginning. But other than that, I'll catch you guys on the next one. So peace out. I'll see you later.